Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. And the code for it is *#4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got two different phone informations. They are kind of the same, but they are divided because we've got two different SIM cards, because they are of course connected with the cards. And we've got also the Wi-Fi information. So let me show you how the phone info looks like. As you can see here, we've got some information just like the current network and data service or a voice service. Of course, as you can see, I do not have any information. It is because that first of all, I do not have the internet connection, and secondly, I do not have the my SIM card inserted. Here you will be also able to run the ping test, and as you can see here we've got the results. What's more, you will be able to enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back. Of course, the same situation will be with phone information too. And the Wi-Fi info, here we've got the API configuration or the status. Let me tap on the status, for example. Let's refresh the stats. And as you can see, here we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me go back because that's all for this code, and let me show you another one which will open the diagnostics. It is *#426####. And as you can see here, we've got the diagnostics. So here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or signal level should also be right here, but probably we cannot see it right now because I do not have the internet connection, as I said. We can of course tap on events, and here we've got some further details. You can also show advanced view just by tapping on the 3 dots icon, tap on advanced view and tap on the status. Unfortunately, because of the network or actually lack of the network, I do not have any new information, but you will be able to pick the last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code for it is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the battery information. And the code for it is *##6485###. And as I said, we are in the battery info, so here you can check the current level, if it is charging or not, if it is attached, if it is in a good or bad condition, and so on. So here we've got the technical information about our battery. Let me show you another code, which is actually a very interesting one. It is a QC test, and the code for it is *##64663###. And as you can see, we've got the test here, and it is a cool option because you can not only have fun with your device, kind of, but also you can check the components of it at the same time. As you can see, we can check a lot of information here. So for example, the software version, here we've got the information about that. We've got the motor, SD card, SIM test. We can check the color, touch panel, receiver, speaker test, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, accelerator, magnetic sensor, light sensor test, OTG plugin, charger test, master back camera. As you can see, a lot of things, 36 things. So let me show you how it works. For example, maybe the touch panel. As you can see, after tapping on it, we will have this kind of rectangular shapes displayed on the screen, and all we have to do is to simply draw the lines across them. And if you can see, the blue color appears in the rectangle which just touched, it simply means that this area works. All right. As we can see, we do not have to do the X. All right, we don't have to. But basically, thanks to this, you can check if the screen works perfectly fine. I didn't know. The same situation maybe with the charger test. Of course, we will have to plug in the charger, so it will not work. Obviously. Here we've got the battery capacity, so as you can see, you can even check the battery temperature if you want to. So I really highly recommend this section because it's really nice to check the components of your device if they are working perfectly fine. I just want to exit, so tap on OK, and let me show you the last code, which will open the technical info about your own device. And the code for it is *# *## 0000 *##. And as you can see, and as I said, we are in the phone information, so we can check the hardware version, the made, the Android version, software version, and so on and so on, both email numbers also. So a technical information about your device. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.